YouTube. Hey, it's me again. Say hello to the 7-year-old.
Hi.
Happy birthday. It'll be up posted probably 12 months from now. But she turned 7 today. Woo! Anyway, what we have today is today is New Tool Tuesday. I'm posting this on a Tuesday. It's actually a Friday, but I'm posting this on a Tuesday. I picked up a new tool that I already have. And what is this?
I don't know.
She don't know what it is. See? It's a Dewalt. It's a Dewalt DWE4011. I'm gonna bend the camera down and show you what's so good about it. And you can watch her bounce around the back. So anyway, let's go like this. The reason why I bought this Dewalt again is so I could sit here and pretend I know what I'm doing and try to open it. So bought it so I can make crazy videos. But the one reason why I bought it, one, it was $59. That's one reason why. Here's LOL paperwork.
Oh, thank you.
Let's see. Brand new grinder. What does it come with? That's the box. Always wondering. Yep. Comes with a manual. Read the manual. Handle. I actually use these. Comes with a guard, which snaps in place. That's pretty neat now. I've never seen that one. New technology. Comes with a guard. And it comes with a button. Yeah. So, oh look, even comes with a grinding disc. Ooh, grinding disc. Ooh. Let's see. What does it come with? Comes with a Dewalt DWE4011 4.5 grinding disc, which I'm probably not going to use. And an Allen key. This is weird. Why does it come with an Allen key? What am I supposed to do with an Allen key? Where's the wrench? There's supposed to be a wrench in here. Or is that how it works? Oh, that's neat. I've never seen that. So anyway, we'll lock this thing. I feel like an amateur here. I've never seen what an Allen key in here for. That's new to me. Well, anyway, I bought this thing for one reason. One reason only. All the other grinders that I have, when you push down on them, you have to hold the... I'll show you. Let me just put this on. I didn't even know this worked like this. Look at that. I like the little bars, but this is pretty cool. All the other grinders, I'll show you. This one right here. All the other grinders, when you use them, if you use them, see this little bar here? You have to hold it, and it doesn't stay on. Safety switch. Lovely. I like the safety switch. This one, push the button, stays on. Drop it on the floor and you kill yourself. But I like it because of that one feature. It's kind of a, safety switch. But I like the fact that if you're doing a lot of grinding and you want to use a grinder, these things are cheap, but they're not light. So instead of having your hand depressed on this thing the whole time and your hand gets sore, you can just pop this on, or you can put it in your vise and just use it as a bench grinder. Even though I own 4 bench grinders. So that's my take on this. They're nice grinders, 59 bucks. I picked it up at Tractor Supply. I burned out a Makita, replaced it with a Dewalt. I think I own 7 grinders. One reason why I own them, I hate changing discs in the middle of doing something. So I keep a wire brush disc on one, a cutting disc on the other one, an abrasive disc on the other one, and 2 or 3 different types of flap discs, either a 80, a 120, or a 60 grit. And I got to get one for something else. But anyway, hope you like this video. This is a Dewalt 4.5 inch grinder. Thanks for watching.